Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, November the 1st, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic with 4 stars, and this one, yeah, Sudoku with 4 stars. Sudoku with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Well, let me position the camera first. Come on. My tripod is not working. Great. Okay. 3 stars. No, 4 stars. Sudoku. A number. This will be number 5415. 5415. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for this 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. We have here 4 twos. Okay. Or 2 threes, 3 fours, 1 5, 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 3 eights, 1 9. So the ones and the twos are in majority. Can I start with the 2? Let me see. Yeah, the 2 in this third column, 2 in the second column. So first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes here. 2 in the last column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in that column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. Here 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 6, okay. 6, 1, 2. Ooh, then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Okay. And now 7. Come on. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1. Yeah. 1. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. It should be there. Okay, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 6, and then 9. 169, 169. I'm thinking. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. 7. Yeah. 3. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third column, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. And now. Yeah. 1. 3, 2. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number in the middle column is number 2. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here or there, in the middle column. We have another 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And now. Well. Yeah. The hard part. 169. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this first row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 169, 169. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this column, so no 1 and 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Well, I hate to mark those boxes outside a big square, but maybe if I mark too much, it's a mess, Alright, so 1 digit left in the first row for number 9. 9. 9. Okay. 6 and 5, 7, 8. So 9 should be there. Here can it be a 9? 1, 9. 196. Okay. Then what is the next step? 4. 8, 3 should be here. Should be. I'm thinking. Come on. 4. 4. No. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the second column. No 8 in these 3 boxes here. An 8 in this row. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Okay. 8. Well, it'll be difficult 3 here. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, and look, we have 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and 7 in this box, so 3 and 7 goes in those two boxes a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 digit left in the first column for number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 9, 9, 9, 9. How about these two missing numbers in this column? The 1 is missing, yeah. 1 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 3, 9, and a 4. 3, 9, and 4. Okay. Then. How about the 3? 3. Well, will be difficult with the 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these two boxes. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1, 6, 5. 1, 6, 5. 1. Well. I'm thinking. 9, 6. Okay. How about the 1 then? 1. 1. Here need a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. Well, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. We see another 1 in this column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in this column. So no 1 there, 1 should be here. And a 6 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So last column, the only two places left for the 1 could be here or there. We see a 1 in the third one, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. Oh, not used. No. Not used. Let me continue. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and 8. Well, we have a 1 now in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1. Okay. 2. 5 and this. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5. Okay, how about the 6? Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. And last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. Cannot continue with the 6 now. 3, 3, okay. 7, 5. 3, 9, 4. 9 and a 4, 9 and a 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. You see here 3 in the last column, no 3 there. Here 3 in that column, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 3. Alright, there's 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the third row. No 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 now in the third row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. 1 minute more, I believe, than the previous Sudoku. But is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this again a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.